So thanks to a recent update, we can now change the wallpaper or background on the PS5, and in future videos I will show you lots of ways to add custom images from your phone or from the internet, but for now this is a quick and easy guide on how to do basic background changes. So go along the main menu on the top of the PS5 home screen and click on the new welcome tag. Move across to where you see the three icons on the top right of the screen and then just click on change background. You will see there are three menus, so we will look at each one in turn, but firstly the From PlayStation option currently has 26 PlayStation backgrounds you can choose from. So to choose one you just go onto it and press X and you will see that the background changes, and when we go back to the welcome screen you can see that it now has the new background, but do note that only the welcome screen changes and all the other apps keep their own screen, so you can only actually change the welcome screen. Okay, so let's go back to change the background and we'll go to From Games this time, and currently there's only one option we can choose from. Push the X button on that one and then go back to the welcome screen, and that's what it'll look like there. And then again, if we go back to the change screen and we can look at the third and final option, which is your media gallery. So this is where your images and screenshots etc. are. So if you're not having many options shown, just move across to the left hand side where you got this sorting option and just push the X button and go to recent, and then that will just give you more options. So sometimes it was just preset at favorites if you've got favorites as an option. So although it's not an ideal screenshot, I'm just going to select this one here by pushing the X button, and this is what it looks like on the welcome screen. Now there's much more you can do and various ways to add your own photos or custom images or even images from your phone or the internet, and I'm also looking at ways of moving PS4 themes across to the PS5 also. I've also got a video coming to show you how to move the widgets so you can see more of the new background that you put on. So all these will be in the pinned comments or description, so do check those out when they come up soon. If you found this useful, please hit the like button. Thanks very much for watching and bye.